Late on November 6, 2024, a white Chevrolet Malibu was speeding down Columbia 22, exceeding the 40 miles per hour limit. As I attempted to stop the vehicle, the driver accelerated, ran a stop sign, and crossed into Louisiana.
Central, if you let True G know I'm 10-4 right now, speed's about 65 when I get on the state radio. Oh, he's all over the road. Yeah, well, I'm trying to get a safe place on the line. 10-4, speed's about 60. Hope we're going to buy around the back of an address. I don't know what it is. Things built.
During the pursuit, the suspect brake-checked me to evade a TVI but later lost control and veered into a ditch near a residence. The driver fled on foot but was quickly apprehended while attempting to climb a fence. Identified as James L. Barrower, he was arrested with the car keys still in his hand. A tense chase, but a clean takedown.
Who else ran?
I'm right here. My hand right here.
Who else ran?
What's up? My hand right here.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Is it just you?
I'm right here.
Is it just you?
I'm right here.
Is it just you?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Who else was in the vehicle? Anybody? You better tell me now. Who else was in the vehicle?
Nobody in there. I'm right here.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get up?
Put your hands behind your back. Somebody run inside the house? Huh?
Yeah.
Anybody else in the vehicle? Anybody else in the vehicle?
Nobody, sir. Nobody, sir. Sir, no.
Put your face down. Don't look at me.
Okay.
Don't move. Why'd you run?
Do what, sir?
Why'd you run?
Sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Why'd you run?
7086.
Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. A dark-coloured sedan was caught speeding on I-185 South, but instead of stopping, the driver fled, triggering a dramatic chase through Columbus, Georgia. The vehicle ran red lights, forced cars to swerve, and knocked over a traffic sign.
Call noon and off.
The 911 tried to call you, go in the voicemail.
Across Macon.
Across Macon, Blazer Light.
Turn on Arnold Drive, Lakeshore Drive. On Arnold.
Alright, right on Arnold.
Arnold Drive, coming up on the intersection. Miller Road, back to Miller Road.
Alright, make a right or left on Miller?
Right on Miller.
Right on Miller.
Alright, we're stopped.
After weaving through several streets, officers boxed the car in near Waddell Elementary School. A search revealed 2 firearms, one reported stolen, an open alcohol container and a large amount of cash. Driver Michael Jaquan Gentry was arrested and charged with speeding, fleeing police, receiving stolen property, reckless driving and open container possession. With such a long list of charges, it's safe to say Gentry won't be back on the roads anytime soon.
Where'd you say your weapon was?
It should be on the seat.
Driver's seat?
Yeah, hold my phone. Still westbound. I tried to channel it. It worked.
Sunday, July 4th, 2021. A speeding motorcycle tore through Georgia 120 before turning onto Georgia 6 at 97 miles per hour, then accelerating to 103 miles per hour while lane splitting and evading police. The rider recklessly weaved through oncoming traffic, narrowly avoiding a massive pileup.
Back at 102. Passing Old Harris again. 278. 1050, 1050, 1050, 70.
While attempting another daring manoeuvre, he crashed into a car and was thrown into the median, while his bike erupted in flames. Officers arrested Alexander Nasworthy and discovered he was riding on a suspended licence. Due to his injuries, he was taken to the hospital but still faces multiple charges. Safe to say, his high-speed stunts won't be happening again anytime soon.
You dumbass! Cause you're fucking running 100 goddamn 2 miles an hour! I don't give a shit! I do not give a shit! You hear me? Get your ass up! Get up! I don't give a flying fuck! Hey, wait! I don't give a fuck! You almost killed several people! Get your goddamn ass over here! Do not fucking move! $234 Paul. I'm 1095. Give me 1052 to 18. Hey, 1050 into the back of another vehicle. Hey, yeah. Can you stand with him? I don't feel good. Let me check on these people. You okay? You okay?
Perfect.
Hey, man,
just
talk
got
to
this car.
Who's he? Anybody else with you?
Nah, just me.
You sure you okay?
I'm positive.
Oh, man.
I just got this like 5 hours ago.
Okay. All right, man. Just to have a seat for me, okay?
I would. Oh my God.
I know. Have a seat for me.
Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. A white Chevrolet pickup truck without a rear license plate was spotted speeding at 90 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone on SH5. When police activated their lights, the driver accelerated, swerving dangerously to block a TVI attempt.
Passing Purnell Road, 90 miles an hour. me. I tried to TVI. I slid down the side. We're still westbound, about 60 miles an hour. Going west just from Old Highway 5.
After blowing through multiple intersections, the pursuit ended when officers successfully forced the truck to spin out and crash into a tree. The driver, Harry Edgar Nethercutt, was arrested on the spot. The truck was confirmed stolen from an auto repair shop, and the registered owner had no connection to the suspect. With a list of serious charges ahead, Nethercutt might have just driven himself straight into a long stay behind bars.
Turn the truck off! Turn the truck off! Turn the truck off now!
And I'm sorry you had to do all that. I really am.
Monday, April 29, 2024. A 35-year-old man led troopers on a high-speed chase down I-4, reaching 135 miles per hour before being stopped with a pit manoeuvre. Earlier, he and a female passenger swapped seats during a traffic stop, but when confronted, he jumped back into the driver's seat and sped off. Troopers pursued him through the highway before he exited into DeLand. After crashing into a fence, suspect Patrick Gordon fled into the woods, but was caught after a 45-minute search with K9 units. A search of the vehicle uncovered over 3 grams of cocaine, fentanyl, and a loaded magazine with 8 hollow-point rounds. With 31 prior felony charges, including 11 felony convictions, this time Gordon may finally be out of escape routes and facing serious prison time. Monday, October 28, 2024. A stolen red Ford F450 towing a skid steer led Cleburne County deputies on a high-speed chase. The suspect recklessly swerved into oncoming traffic, nearly causing head-on collisions before turning onto a gravel road.
Speeds are 55.
We are north on Gravel Hill. Speeds are 8.
We're taking a left onto Midge Langley Road.
And turning back onto Crystal Hill Lane again on the gravel.
If you get the chance to get up to him, get up beside him and push him off the road.
10-4, I can't see right now. There's zero visibility.
West on Crystal.
We're coming back on Foster Road, and somebody can block Foster and Crystal.
CFS comments added.
As officers attempted to stop the vehicle, the truck rammed a patrol car, flipping it into a ditch and triggering a multi-vehicle crash. The suspect, Robert Eddy, abandoned the truck and fled on foot, but was caught after a 3-hour search using helicopters and K-9 units. He now faces multiple serious charges, including vehicle theft, fleeing police, and reckless endangerment. Given the severity of his actions, a lengthy prison sentence is likely. One thing's for sure, running from the law never ends well.
B18 Newport. I got up next to him. My vehicle's rolled.